Hey guys, congratulations. You've made it to our final module. So you have a little bit more than a week to get everything for this module submitted. Don't forget to complete your journal submissions as well. I'm trying to take a look at those and grade those as we go along. So hopefully those will be graded and done before the end of the term. If you have any questions remaining about the project, please do let me know, particularly questions about my expectations for your final submissions. And one thing I just wanted to mention, and this came up a lot last week, is that the course is never really done. And Cindy commented about how she has her instructors keep track of things that need to change throughout the term, and then changes are made. And I really recommend that strategy, whether it's a class that you ultimately teach or that someone else teaches. Just have them keep a little log of changes that need to be made so that you can continuously improve and make sure that the students continuously have a better experience. Thanks again, and if you have any questions, please ask right away. Take care.